Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and the lecture series of the game development using Unity Engine. In the last session, I had explained you how do we detect the collision in Unity Engine. This is the interface. Now in this video, we will see how can we destroy the game object when both the player and the obstacles hit with each other. So just create a new scene, go to the scene, right click, create scene. So now this is my scene for destroying game object. Then click, go to the game object, 3D object, and then first plane, then size. We change the size of this plane, or you can use a hand tool. Like this. Then again scaling tool and then translate. So this is my plane. Now I am creating a new game object, 3D object, cube. So this is my cube. Then scaling tool. Now I am scaling the cube. So now cube structure we can scale so that it look like a wall. ये हम लोग wall की तरह एक structure बनाएंगे. Okay. Then again scaling tool. And then translate. So this is my wall. Now go to the assets, create new folder, texture. Texture is a folder where we can store all the images that are used in your game. Downloads the image with the extension .jpg or png. The extension of this image is not supported in Unity Engine, so just wait. We can take this image, save image. This is my jpg image. Okay, images. Then again drag, drop this image in texture folder and then drag and drop the image on cube. Remove this. This is my wall. Now again go to the game object, 3D object. You can take a sphere. This is my sphere. Then again size, scaling tool. It is a scaling tool. You can increase the size of this sphere. And go to the assets. We have different materials already. Then drag and drop this material and then plane. Now go to the game object again, 3D object. I am taking a cylinder. This is my cylinder. So now we create a cylinder in such a way that it is look like a coin. Again we change the size of this cylinder. then scale down, and then we rotate this cylinder with respect to axis like this. We are using rotating tool. Okay, now this is my cylinder, and again go to the assets and the textures. Again we download the image coin images. You can download any image for the coin. Suppose I am taking this image. Again save this image. Make sure the extension, you have to first check the extension of the image. This is my coin image. Coin, again drag in Unity and then texture folder, and we drag this image. So now this is look like a coin. Okay, and then we translate this image. So now this is my interface. We have a sphere, right, and then coin, and we have a wall. Then sphere में add component, add a rigid body. This is my rigid body. Okay, now go to the main camera. See, there is a no view in available main camera. Then select the main camera first, go to the game object, align with view, and click on play. First check the designing of your game. Now first we translate this player or a game object towards the coin and the wall. So first we start with the translation script. Go to the script. We already have a movement script with arrow keys. This is my movement of arrow. See, movement arrow. So we already have this script. Microsoft Visual Studio. In this script, we are using a arrow key to translate the game object forward, backward, left and right. So we already have this script in the previous session. So I am directly using this script. Okay, this is my movement script. So we apply this script on sphere, and then go to the sphere, movement script, H speed and V speed. Then click on play button. Now we translate the game object. See, okay, so now this is my designing part. Now we're done with the designing part of the this session. Now next we create a script to destroy game objects. Then double click on destroy game objects script. So this is my script. In the last session I explained you the collision detection method. So there are 3 collision detection method. In this session I am using on collision enter method. In on collision enter method, we first check if the collision object dot game object dot name. If the name of the game object, go to this Unity. So first we have this sphere or cylinder. Just copy this name. Within double quotes we write if the game object name is equals to cylinder, then we destroy the game object. Game object collision dot game object. So in the first case, when this player collide with the coin, in this case the coin gets destroyed. But in the second case, when this player collide with the wall, so in that case the player object gets destroyed. So these are the two scenarios. तो अगर आपको coin destroy करना है, you have to write collision dot game object. Destroy जो होगा किसके कौन होगा, जिसके साथ collision हुआ है वो game object destroy हो जाएगा. Now we apply the destroy game object script on sphere. So on sphere we have a movement script and destroy game objects. Then play. Now press arrow key. As we can see, the object gets destroyed the wall, but see there is no effect on wall because we only destroy the cylinder. Now go to the wall. Then add a rigid body on it. Same way you also add a rigid body to the coin. Okay. Now next we write a code for the wall. Again, if collision dot game object dot name equals to again we check the name of the wall, which is my cube. Just copy this name and within double quotes write cube. This time we destroy the game object only. That means player gets destroyed. Then save the script. Go to the Unity. Compiling script. Play. Now we move the game object. Destroy. So in this way we can destroy the game object on collision with the obstacles. So this is my script. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.